Hello, Clarissa here at Milam Truck Country, located at 500 River Road in Puyallup. Today we're looking at a black 2008 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD LT. Does come with automatic headlights and fog lights, 35-inch mud terrain tires and 20-inch chrome aftermarket wheels. It is lifted and has a Vortec engine. Running boards, turn signals in the mirrors, and weather guards. Let's take a look on the inside. The interior is a gray cloth interior, dual climate control, CD player, AM/FM radio, and auxiliary connection, high and low gearing, media control and cruise control integrated into the steering wheel, OnStar capabilities, trailer brake and all of your power options, windows, locks, seats, and mirrors. The back seat does fit 3 adults comfortably and does fold up for extra storage. This is the Z71 package for a higher quality of off-road suspension. Class 3 tow hitch and spray-in bed liner. All of our inventory here at Milam Truck Country does go through a thorough service and safety inspection and is beautifully detailed so that you can purchase with confidence. Give one of our sales representatives a call today at 253-845-1766. And thanks for clicking on our virtual tour.